Welcome, guys. This is KOK Gift Baskets and More. I'm coming here with a couple of concepts I just completed, and I just wanted to share them with you to give you guys some ideas on concepts you may want to do for Valentine's Day. So the first gift I have here is done in one of the penny gift boxes from Dollar General. Flower market box, beautiful, beautiful box. And what I put in it is a plush bear. The bear also came from the penny sale at Dollar General. I have a tumbler next to it. I have a beautiful metallic purple rose here. I have a nice purse here, this lilac purse. I think you'll be able to see all the little different color hearts that are on it. It's a quilted style. It's really, really pretty. I also have the double set of Victoria's Secret Love Spell. I have the body spray and lotion. I have a purple necklace, a drape from that box. I also have one of the large penny candles from Dollar General. Gold bow on there. For the box, I kind of decorated a little bit. I just put two glitter hearts up there on each side. Also with the bear, I remember this bear. I took the blanket from the front. So what I did was I had some extra foam roses. I glued one up to this ear and glued one here at his neck. I also used some gold, really light ribbon. I really wanted a purple ribbon, but the purple ribbon I have is really large. So I went with a gold sheer organza type fabric. So I tied that in a bow and just added the foam rose to the front of the bow. So I think that brought out the purple that I'm trying to add to the bear to give it a little bit of color. All right, guys, I hope you like this gift, and I'm going to share some more with you here. Hold on just a second. Some I forgot and wrapped them, guys. I really like to show you guys before I wrap, but sometimes I forget. So there's some that are going to be wrapped. Okay, this one here is the large pink rose bear. And this design kind of stumped me a little bit. I wasn't really sure how I wanted to lay everything out, but I was positive I wanted these items in this gift. So I kind of decorated it a little bit different than I normally do. You know, we always go by height. The reason I say this, I have a candle here. This is one of the Dollar General candles. And I put a piece of tulle on it and tied a little ribbon around it. That was one of the candles that had a black lid on top. I didn't want the lid on there. So I took the lid off and just added the tulle and the ribbon. That looks much better, more feminine. I also put a box of Valentine chocolates in the back. Those chocolates really gave me a hard time not really knowing where to put it, how I wanted to display it. And because of the size of the container and the size of the bear, that caused me to have a lot of design issues. But I think it came out beautiful. I have the double heart necklace and earring set. I have the Victoria's Secret Pure Seduction body mist and lotion set. I have this beautiful bear little tumbler, little water bottle, has a little handle on it. And I think this came out really, really beautiful, guys. I have my little acrylic dowel back here to hold my candy up. I didn't put a backer. All right, guys. Little clutch bag, box of chocolates. On the back side, I have a compact mirror, a Hello Kitty necklace, and a Hello Kitty ink pen. And I put a red foam rose in there. What I did was I had some really small, thin ribbon. I just tied that around all four sides and added me a nice little bow on top. And I think that came out really pretty. Okay, so we'll put that there. This one here, this is the one I share with you guys on how to just take a plain basket And with a label that you print out from your computer, you can really take that basket to another level, okay? So this was just a plain white basket, guys. And I printed, got this design off of Cricut. And but you don't have to have a Cricut to make this particular label here. You do not need a Cricut machine. All you need is a printer. I use label paper. You don't really need label paper. As long as you have something some adhesive you can use on the back. I would recommend label paper. It sticks really well. It will not come off with the heat. It will stay exactly where you put it. Okay, make sure the surface is clean and you won't have a problem with that. All right, so in this one I have the red rose bear. He's holding a white rose heart. I have the chocolates. I have the set from Five Below, the cherry blossom lotion and mist. I have a pretty red tumbler. And that's pretty much all I did for this design. I made a backer. And if you can see on the side here, on the backer, I put some glitter hearts, red and pink glitter hearts. Okay. And I added this beautiful, beautiful ribbon. And I'm going to show you, I added these little tags, guys. I made these on my Cricut. I made a variety of Valentine tags. Some have a heart, some just, have Valentine. And this says kisses, flowers, cherish, thoughtful, Cupid hugs, and a lot of little Valentine words. This one is really cute. This one says, be my Valentine. So I've been adding these also to my gifts. I've been putting the price, basket information behind the tag. So once the potential buyer, once they look at it and decide they want to purchase it, after they purchase it, they can simply, or I will, do it for them, just tear off that back label with the price on it so that then they can just gift it with the beautiful tag that I've attached. But there are two different tags that I put on here. Okay, this one is the heart that says Happy Valentine's Day. And I think those are the only designs that I made this time. So I've been including them. I used a really pretty template with the little scallop top and the little hole punch. So that's what I'm putting on all of my baskets. Okay, let's see what else I have here. I'm still working on a lot of other concepts I have lined up. Okay, this one here. Pull the ribbon up just a little bit. Just put a little curl in it. All right, this one here is one of the gift bag gifts. This is that pink marshmallow bear. It also has vanilla sugar, body butter, and a bubble bath. It also has a loofah sponge in it. And then this one, I have a clutch wallet. You can see a little bit of it right here. But I lifted it up. I put a piece of styrofoam under it to lift it up, so where the purchaser can look in there and see exactly how it looks. It's pink and has a gold tone little button on the front. It's really pretty. Okay, so that's another concept I have completed. Here's another bag concept. This one I used a white bag. Now this one, sometimes when I design these, I don't put a riser on the bottom. Because you see the pink one is just straight down to the bottom of the bag. Okay. This one here, and I don't know why I do that. Some I don't want to put the riser, some I do. I just design it and just go with it. Okay. So this one here, this purple design here, I have a purple rose bear. I have a purple necklace here. I have one of Dollar General candles. And I have the sweet lavender body butter, bubble bath, and loofah. And this one I don't have a clutch in. This one is different. This one, okay. And what I did in the back, I added just a little sprig of purple flowers just to add to the concept. So I think both of these are going to sell. They're just a little bit different. This one has a necklace. This one has a wallet. So they're going to be kind of different to make sure that I can hopefully have what people are looking for. Those that may not want any jewelry may just decide to take the one with the wallet. Okay. So let's see what else I have. Oh, this is just a small one here for a little girl. This one has in it that little LOL tween doll. And I have a star-shaped little water bottle there. Box of chocolates and a little LED table lamp. Just something small. Okay. I did go in my attic and found some beautiful Valentine plushes from last year's haul from Walgreens, Dollar General, and everywhere else. So this is one of them. This is a little squishmallow. I have 2 of those. I'm going to prepare a concept for that. Here's another one. And some of them, they have very little light reference to Valentine's Day. You see the little tentacles have the hearts on them? So I can use these for Easter too if I want to. This one here is a beautiful color. This is the really large one. So I have more than enough plushes for Valentine's Day. This is just a few of them. I mean, I have bags full. This one is just like that one. Has a little hearts on the top. It's the little elephant here. And this one here is my little, I forgot, what is this thing? Sloth. That's what it is, a sloth. S-L-O-T-H. So I'm going to create a gift concept with him. Hopefully he'll sell this year. And I did a really pretty concept last year with it. I went back, guys, and looked at my Valentine videos. And man, I had some of the most beautiful gifts. So I got to try and step it up. Try to get in the groove and get a lot of those concepts that I did last year, get those rolling. And I am going to be back, guys, with some more goodies. So I appreciate you guys coming to take a look at what I have. And like I said, I'll be back to share my different designs with you guys. But I appreciate you guys coming by. I love you, and I'll see you on the next video. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe.